19th February 1630, Shivaji Raje Bhosle was born at Shivneri Fort situated near Junnar in the district of Pune. He was a member of the Bhosle clan who founded the Maratha Empire. Shivaji Maharaj's father, Shahaji, was the best Maratha general in the court of Sultanate. He served alongside Malik Ambar, who defended the Deccan region. That was the first to be done by any Maratha against the Mughals. He always wanted to overthrow the Mughal Empire and to free their kingdom from the Sultanate of Bijapur by establishing a Swaraj Empire in India. Jijabai, Shivaji Maharaj's mother, was a devotedly religious and far-sighted lady. She is considered to be the master of Shivaji Maharaj's bravery. Shivaji Maharaj was extremely devoted to his mother. The religious environment had a great influence on Shivaji Maharaj. He faithfully studied Ramayana and Mahabharata, the two great Hindu epics. The virtues and spiritual directives of these epics left a great impression on him. Shivaji Maharaj managed to bring together a band of fiercely loyal Maratha men by the age of 16. They started conquering nearby lands and capturing Torna Fort of the Bijapur kingdom, which was their first triumph. By 1647, he had control of much of the southern Pune region due to capturing of Kondana and Rajgarh forts. In a bid to contain Shivaji Maharaj, Adil Shah sent Afzal Khan, who was an experienced veteran general of his army, along with 40,000 men to destroy Shivaji Maharaj. Upon carefully weighing his options, Shivaji Maharaj decided to have an informal meeting with Afzal Khan on his home turf at the base of the Pratapgarh fort. When the two were embracing each other at the meeting, Afzal Khan stabbed Shivaji Maharaj in the back. Shivaji Maharaj was well prepared. He was wearing a chain mail armor which protected him. He counterattacked with the Wagnak tiger claws glove and slayed Afzal Khan. Afzal's army had no idea that their leader had been slain. Shivaji Maharaj walked out with the chop-off head of Afzal Khan on his sword. On seeing this, the army surrendered. Raigarh Fort. The fort of Raigarh became Shivaji Maharaj's center of power and growth and thus became his capital city. This fort rests on top of a hill that was split off from the Western Ghats. It was virtually inaccessible from three sides. Prizes were announced for those who tried innovative new methods to reach the top. Under Shivaji Maharaj's rule, untouchables were given true justice. They were also recruited in the army as well as promoted. Shivaji Maharaj also gave great importance to Sanskrit. He ensured that Sanskrit was never lost. He replaced many Persian words with Sanskrit once wherever possible. The people of his land loved him and truly worshipped him. He allowed his people to follow their choice of religion and to convert back to being a Hindu after having converted to Islam under Aurangzeb. He ensured that mosques, Muslim places of worship, and Muslim women were respected too. As a result, a large number of Muslims served in his army. All of these qualities helped Shivaji Maharaj to inculcate the same passion for revolution against the Mughals in his people's mind. But even today, he is fondly remembered for his acts of bravery and kindness towards his people. His birthday is celebrated with great enthusiasm in Maharashtra amongst Maharashtrians.